Well, hey guys, I'm going to review this item that someone sent to me. This is the Dovoh Laser Level, and I think this is a great little laser level. If you are interested in one, or maybe you need one for work or whatever that might be, this thing is super cool. As you can see right here, it's heavy duty, it's hard orange and heavy duty right here. I like it. I like the case on there. And so when you turn it on right here, trying to make sure I'm not in the way, boom, you can see it has different ways. It even beeps when it says that it's not level. So you can put it down and it's going to level itself if it's level, you know. And so level itself, then you can do vertical, make sure I'm out of that way, and horizontal. As you can see, there's levels everywhere here behind me. So it's a great way just to get some stuff straight. Whether you're working at your house or working on the job site, I think this is a great option for you. This is, again, super heavy duty. I like how heavy it is. It's not going to break or it's not going to do anything for you. A couple cool things. It has the battery pack here in the bottom. All you do is pop this open, slide a battery in there. Comes with a little charger. See the little charger? But if you do forget to charge it and you're on the job site, you could still just plug it in. Has a little plug-in port right here. So that's nice. But super heavy duty, I like that. And again, this is the H3 360G. Super heavy duty, which is super nice. So if you're interested in one, I think this is a great option for you here. And then also has a couple other items just want to show you in the case. It has a heavy duty hard case. So you can take this with you, throw it in the truck. It's going to do a good job. Going to keep this thing safe. Has the little plate right here. So it does have, you know, again, the metal. So you can stick this somewhere. You can even stick it way back here so you can kind of see where it's at. It even has a little plate where it stands up. So in case you need it to stand up somewhere, you can see it a little bit further. That's nice. Has an extra battery pack here. Super cool. Has some glasses in case you want to have those when you're working. Probably the safest thing. Then it has this little mount. So it has the mount, and you can mount it to different things. When it pops off right here, I want to break it, pops off. So if you want to mount it to like a tripod, you can do that. And then you're going to mount this right here to the front. So you can see like right there, boom, you're just going to mount it right there. Then you can put this anywhere. If you want to put it somewhere, you mount it to a tripod. All different type of options. But I think this is a great option. Like I said, I've liked it. It's been fun to use. Heavy duty, it's going to work well. I think this is a great option. I'll have a link for this item below. Highly recommend it. So guys, a couple other good things about this right here. You can use this outside because the light is so strong, or you can use it inside like I just showed you guys. A couple other items right here. We see, again, the high brightness beam, the plastic rubber housing is going to take care of it, metal laser covers, and then even the enhanced pendulums, which is super nice. Then we see this is stable, durable, high precision. Again, great piece of equipment here. You can see how you can lock this in. It's magnetic, so if you want to stick it on something, you can do that. You can put this on right here, stick it on something on the wall, or even, you know, hang it on something so you can get it, or put it on a tripod. And then you can adjust it up and down, which is super nice. But overall, it has a lot of cool features. I think it's going to be a really helpful piece for you. And then currently, if you check out the price right now, you can apply a 30% off coupon, and then also another 5% off coupon as well. So they have a couple coupons going on right now. So if you're interested in these, you can go and check this out, grab one, and save a lot of money. And if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can like and subscribe. You can also check out another video right here, and I'll see you over there.